Hello students, welcome to the part 3 video of the lesson. Now let us see some of the major crops that are grown in India. A large variety of crops are grown to meet the requirement of the growing population. Major food crops are wheat, rice, maize and millets. Jute and cotton are fiber crops. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. Wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. In India, it is grown in winter. Rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world. It is the staple diet of the tropical and subtropical regions. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. It grows best in alluvial, clayey soil which can retain water. China leads in the production of rice, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Millets. They are also known as coarse grains and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. It is a hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Jowar, bajra and ragi are grown in India. Jute. Jute was also known as the golden fiber. It grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. This crop is grown in the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. Maize. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. It needs well-drained fertile soils. Maize is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. Cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil and Egypt are the leading producers of cotton. Now let us see about the beverages. Coffee. Coffee requires warm and wet climate and well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for growth of this crop. Brazil is the leading producer, followed by Colombia and India. Tea. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. This requires cool climate and well-distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produce the best quality tea in the world. Agricultural development. Agricultural development refers to the efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. This can be achieved in many ways, such as increasing the cropped area, the number of crops grown, improving irrigation facilities, use of fertilizers and high-yielding variety of seeds. Mechanization of agriculture is also another aspect of agricultural development. Now let us understand about agriculture in the developing and a developed country. Comparison between India and USA. The average size of a farm in Indian land is 1.5 hectares, whereas the average size of a farm required in the USA country is 250 hectares. The farming done in Indian type of soil is subsistence farming, whereas in USA commercial farming is done on large scales. Our Indian farming is labor intensive farming, whereas it is machinery intensive farming in the country of USA. In India, farmer looks like a peasant, whereas a farmer looks like a businessman in USA. So, this is the pattern of farming between our country and USA. Thank you for listening, students.